So this is the first opening, which is in Soffit, and this is for freshers, and it's in Bangalore. 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and immediate joining. Those who wants to join, they can join on immediate basis. Menu.a@soffit.in is the mail ID for you can apply, right? Next is Tech Unique. Someone is looking for instructor. The other couple of things which is required. CSSP, CS, Company Security Plus is important, and this is a mail ID where you can apply. So if you have good knowledge, you can apply here. Accordingly, we can do. Next is L1. Yes, L1 SOC role, which is somehow a fresher's job. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. SIM, EDR, PAM, DLP, all these things is required. And you have to work in a SOC center where you need to monitor, detect, and do all those related things that we do in SOC center, right? So this is the thing. And company is Alchemy Tech Solution. Mail is Harshita.d Alchemy Tech Solution. Harshita. Next is SOC. Again, L1, L2. Sorry, it's 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and position is SOC analyst. SOC phishing, SIEM, Splunk, all those things required, and this is the link from where you can apply. So, guys, basically, SOC is very important right now. All the companies mostly looking for. So, we are going to start our SOC batch as well from 1st of March. So, those who want to join, they can. Okay, so that you will be having good knowledge about it. Next is Ajax Network Solution. They are looking for junior technical support engineer, and there are a couple of requirements that is want. If you have any doubt, call this number. If you want to drop your resume, drop on this mail, and it's in Ahmedabad. Basically, just apply accordingly. Next is cybersecurity consultant, embassolution.com, VAPT, vulnerability assessment, web application pen testing, API pen testing. All those knowledge is required. Drop your resume and position is cybersecurity consultant. Do accordingly. Next is if you're a fresher, someone is looking for a VAPT intern. BTech, BSc is important, and another is cybersecurity analyst, right? And for that, 1 years of experience is required minimum. Okay, and Tech Defender is a company who is looking for, and mail ID is contact@techdefender.in from where you can apply. Cybersecurity analyst, critical. It's for freshers. Minimum 6 months of experience is required. So, guys, again, SOC things is there. Web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, API, and all those things is important. So that's all for today.